Hollywood Lakes, Hollywood, Florida, a walk in the neighborhood. One of the most desirable neighborhoods in Hollywood, Florida is historic Hollywood Lakes. This highly sought-after neighborhood is greatly desirable not only for its charming historic houses, open green spaces, tree-lined streets, lakes and waterways, but also for its pedestrian-friendly environment. And now, when we are living under the restrictions of COVID-19, with the beaches, golf courses and parks closed, those of us who have dogs to walk or cannot let a day go by without taking a stroll, we walk around our lovely neighborhood. In this video, I invite you to join me as we take a walk around this great neighborhood, Hollywood Lakes, taking in its history, its architecture and its beautiful sights. Let's go! If you're new to this channel, welcome and join us as we talk about real estate and lifestyle in Southeast Florida. I'm Kate Smith, a local Hollywood real estate agent with Kate Smith Group at Brosnan Bentley Realtors. As we explore Hollywood's oldest neighborhood, Hollywood Lakes, I will give you some geographical and historical references. Hollywood Lakes is located east of US 1 and west of the Intracoastal Waterways, between Washington and Johnson Streets, within a few minutes' walk to the beach. This sought-after neighborhood is experiencing a rebirth, as newly built custom homes are replacing some of the older, smaller ones. The neighborhood is highly desirable not only for its superb location, charming historic houses, open green spaces, tree-lined streets, lakes and waterways, but also for its lively, neighborly feel. The pedestrians and the cyclists are important elements to this traditional historic neighborhood, Hollywood Lakes. We walk our dogs around the lakes, play with our children, or gather around North Lake on 13th Avenue to watch the fireworks, sunsets, or sunrise. Hollywood Lakes residents can walk to shops, beach, parks, the Hollywood Golf and Country Club, the Arts and Culture Center, and vibrant downtown Hollywood. Several churches, most of them built pre-World War II, are neighborhood fixtures. Hollywood Central Elementary, the Performing Arts Center, and the Women's Club are all within walking distance. Hollywood Lakes was planned as a large residential section of expansive homes with twin man-made lakes, flanking the Hollywood Boulevard as focal points for beauty, symmetry, and aquatic activities. It all began when the planning visionary Joseph Wesley Young first arrived in South Florida in 1920 to survey several parcels of land that would be suitable for the site of his dream city in Florida. His initial vision included a wide boulevard extending from the ocean westward to the edge of the Everglades, with man-made lakes paralleling each side of the roadway. One end of each lake would empty into the Intracoastal Waterway, and the other would serve as a twin turning basin for private yachts. Joseph Young enticed potential homeowners with assurance of open spaces, unobstructed lake views, cool breezes, and natural ventilation. Joseph Young set aside land for parks and open spaces. Many of these green spaces still exist today: Hollywood Golf and Country Club, Young Circle North and South Lakes, and Jefferson Park. Historically, the most grandiose homes grace the main boulevard entering the town. Joseph Young followed his design element, and many large homes from that period still exist on the boulevard. As Hollywood Boulevard, lined with homes and royal palms, provides visitors their first impression of this sophisticated neighborhood. Many of the houses built in 1920s were designed to capture the southeast breezes from the Atlantic Ocean. Open porches served as venue for entertainment and conversation, as well as crime deterrents. In the 1920s, more than 20 apartments and hotels were built in Hollywood Lakes and central Hollywood neighborhoods. Hollywood Lakes is perfect for those seeking single-family homes in Hollywood. This is a varied community with 18,272 residents and homes representing a wide range of time periods and architectural styles, allowing a diversity of age groups and income levels to coexist. Many of the houses have apartments or garages in the rear, some of which provide servants' quarters, others in-laws, with prices ranging from $325,000 to $5 million and over. In our next video, I will tell you a little bit more about 9 of the most commonly seen architectural styles in historic Hollywood Lakes. So keep an eye out for this. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share the love. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Kate Smith, Hollywood, Florida.